How to fix white screen issue on laptop or computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix the white issue or white screen issue in your laptop or computer. So without further delay, let's get started. So sometimes whenever you are working and if you get a white screen issue in your laptop, then there might be some problem in your graphics driver. Now first of all, try to restart or refresh your graphics driver. In order to do so, you have to press your shift key, control key, and the W or the Windows key and then the B key in your keyboard all together at once. So press shift key, control key, Windows and your B key in your keyboard at once. That will refresh your graphics driver and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If the white screen is still not gone, then what you can do is you have to go to the task manager. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for task manager and open the task manager in your device. Here, you will see different services in the task manager. From the services, click on the search bar at the top. Now in the search bar, simply search for Windows Explorer. Once you see Windows Explorer, click on Windows Explorer and at the top right click on restart task and that will solve your problem. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.